Hello everyone, welcome to Embedded Laboratory. In today's video I will show you guys how to use the QT MQTT library on the Windows machine. In the past video, I have shown you guys how to do the same thing on the Linux environment, and in today's video, I will show you how to do this on Windows machine in a much simpler way. But before proceeding further, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. With more than a decade in the field of PCB prototype and fabrication, they are committed to meeting the needs of their customers from different industries in terms of the quality, delivery, cost effectiveness, and any other demanding requests. They are one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in the world. I hope my video's viewers will visit their website at least once to show their offerings. Now let's get started. As a first step, I will show you how to get the QT MQTT library Git link by doing a simple Google search as shown here. And then how to clone and build the library. The reason why we are doing this is because the QT MQTT library is not present by default, and that's why we have to download the source code and build the library. The installed version of QT on my Windows laptop is 6.5.2. And that's why I have to check out the same version from the clone repository. Here first I have cloned the repository and then switched to 6.5.2 tag. I am using Sublime Merge for cloning and switching the branch to tag 6.5.2, but you can use any other Git tool or even the command line version. Usage of Sublime Merge is not really mandatory here. And I would suggest you to clone the repository in the same drive in which your QT has installed, otherwise, it could have some problems, and you have to copy the libraries manually in the respective folders. Now I will open the MQTT project for compiling, which in turn will generate the libraries. And in this Configure Project section, I will select the Windows kit and also a few Android kits, so it's up to you which kits you want to select. In my case, I want to compile the library for the Windows environment and also for the Android environment. Now let's build the project. The build is successful. And as you can see, a build folder is generated with the library files, and now we have to install this library using the cmake install command, which can be executed from the command line or Qt Creator integrated command line terminal as shown here. You can see here the path where the QT MQTT library is installed and manually verify if the library is present or not. In my case it is present, so now I am good to go ahead with the QT MQTT based projects. Let's say you want to compile the library for the Android based projects, then you can select the Android kit. And then run cmake. And then build the project. And once the project builds fine, you can use the same cmake install command to install the libraries for Android platform. Now let's run the examples provided by Qt. I will use one publish project and one subscribe project. Both will be connected to external and free Mosquitto broker, test.mosquitto.org. And, as you can see, I have subscribed to the test topic, and whenever I am publishing some messages using the test topic, I can see the message in the subscribed application. So, that's all from this video. In future I will use this learning to control devices from computer and Android phone connected to ESP32. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.